Yawn. Good morning, puppy porn. Did you have a good sleep?
Of course, sis. What about you, Lil'Petey?
Hey, where is Lil'Petey? He is missing.
Hey, sis. I found him. He is on the floor, and it looks like he is still sleeping.
Lil'Petey, wake up. It's us.
Yawn. Oh, hey guys. What the? Why am I on the floor?
We don't know. But did you sleepwalk?
Nope, I didn't sleepwalk.
Wait, I think I know who. Toad, come in please.
Toad, did you put Lil'Petey on the floor while he is sleeping?
Well, yes.
Are you serious, Toad? We can't believe you did that. We thought he was missing.
That's it. You are grounded for 10 days.
Go to your room now.
What? Now done.